So these are the air louvers. These move for active aero. These are the little wires for the batteries that like connect them. Look at that. So cool, all those little micro solders. And you have the, I'm guessing this is like a cooling gel that goes over the entire thing. And then this is it without that cooling gel. See the solder points a little bit better. That's sick. And then you have like the wires underneath, seeming like these are for vibration. And then you have the actual, so you have the cells, this rubber, I think it's vibration. And then you have this pack right here, this part, which I think are the wires. So this is the main battery. These are all your packs. You can actually see this in service mode. The one we just looked at is the one that slots in right here. You can see everything more assembled together. If you want to see a battery pack ripped open, well, this is that battery pack that's ripped open. So all of this is cut because it was previously on here. They just had to get that open. That way they can take a look at all the individual batteries. We have Model X right here, a Model Y right here. And check this out, they're testing the battery pack. So without putting it in, they can connect the high voltage into the battery. This is so sick. A bunch of tools and stuff here. And then they have more batteries right here. And I think on this side, this is where the DC to DC converter is, and the fuse and everything goes right there. So we have all of these back here, which is just a bunch of tools and stuff. And I'm sure that they normally have these out here, but they're trying to keep it super clean for us. Old Model S 85, super sick, guys. EV Republic, it looks so clean in here. And looking at the battery pack on the other side, so you can see all of the lines that are going to it. I'm assuming that's coolant lines, and you have more packs that are stacked right here. So each of these packs, or each of these cells, are in individual packs, and the packs combine to make one big pack. So you got a big pack with little packs in the pack. So you have this one right here, this one down there, then you have these lines, and I wonder if these are cooling. Oh, probably, right? So the coolant comes out through here and it runs all through the battery. So those aren't like circuits or anything. I'm gonna assume that's coolant feed because it comes out of these tubes right here, which I'm assuming are coolant lines.